lahat, move forward tayo agad-agad. November 2025, Sagittarius, message. Guidance para sa isang Sagittarius, the Sun, the Knight of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. The Sun, very bright. Yung energy andito as a fire, the Sun, the Knight of Wands, or buhay, karera, trabaho, or yung kayo mismo. Gusto ko pang mag-add ng isa, Temperance card. This one is in reverse. Kasi iba-iba tayo sa enerhiya. Five of Pentacles kasi umangat, medyo nanimbang ako doon. Iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon. Maaring ang ilan ay may pagkainip, may pagka-low-key ang energy. Kahit pa andito si The Sun, isang reminder to marahil, hindi laging masaya. Yun yung realidad ng buhay. Hindi laging okay. Lumulubog din ang araw at umaangat. Umaangat po ang buwan. Wow, may pasok na naman ni Moonshot. Recharge your energy. Sagittarius, November. Physically, mentally, emotionally, or even financially po. The Five of Pentacles. Or even spiritually. Minsan, it's okay. It's okay to pause. It's okay to recharge. It's okay to not be okay minsan.